Hello everyone, welcome to Small World Car. So we have got another Fast and Furious Villains car. And I think this is a new series for this year. And I already got one from this set. This is the second one. And I'm still looking for others. Couldn't find them on the peg. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Aston Martin DB9 out of its packaging. First thing first, it has got matte grey paint, which looks good. The chrome wheels, again, these are not like your usual 5-spoke. If you look closely, there's a slight difference. Curves inwards a bit more than those. It has got some good details. Let's start from the front. You can see it's got detailed headlamps. It's also got the hood vents, Aston Martin badge, Aston Martin grille, turn indicators. So good details up front. You also got both the mirrors, which is looking good. You can also see the windshield wipers here. And you can see the interior, the dashboard from here, it's black. Now coming to the driver's side. Again, good details continue. You got this chrome piece going over the vent on the side. I don't know if that's a lamp. It's just a piece there. I'm not sure. As we know, these are sports cars, so 2 doors. And you can see the detail there for keyhole. Now coming to the back. Again, good details here. You can see detailed tail lamp. Also, you can see it has got some good details here. Like the fuel filler cap from the back. I don't know if you can see the Aston Martin badge, but it has got the Aston Martin badge here. There you go. The Aston Martin badge, DB9 badge right there. And also you can see the exhaust tips down there. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical minus the fuel filler cap. This is how it looks from the bottom. This is how it looks from the top. Overall, I would say it has got some good details. It looks really good. And it's definitely a good addition to the collection. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.